No. So if you can't see that, it is definitely raining. Can you see that flock of birds? So even though it's raining, I'm just more focused over here on the flock. See, this is the flock that I think I see regularly. We'll get it distracted again. But nearly home. Can have a nice hot cuppa. Get these clothes on. Jump in the uri. Get into the monster high. Get all snuggled up. Looks like I'm doing an indoor workout today, whānau. There it is. Mine is made up. Phone is getting wet. So I'm going to check out now. Bye, whānau. Kia ora, whānau. So back to my morning daily routine. So these are what I pulled out. Came outside with me in the basket. So this is going in the greenhouse. I'll open that up soon. First of all, let's go and feed my chickens. Chickens! So, come on, chickens! So there's some cheese in there. They got some coconut. God knows what that's the squash in there. The pumpkin. So I've only got 4 left, whānau, until once I fixed everything up and got in the sand and everything. Okay, that's all done. Damn. But here's my chickens. I've got lots of plans. I need to fill that water up for them. This here looks like this is going to break it up, which would be cool. Hopefully.